This is It's All Sorted, a business owner's 9-step guide to master your tax and achieve peace of mind. Written by Ben Walker, narrated by Ben Walker. Introduction. Not all accountants are created equal. In the lead up to starting Inspire, it was my vision to build an accounting firm that was built from the client's perspective. What did this look like? It meant an accounting firm that billed fairly, delivered immense value, and was friendly to interact with. On the point of our company's value, it took us a couple of years to work out, but we started to measure the impact that we had on our clients' lives. Being accountants, one of the things we were measuring was the dollars of tax savings that we saved. In the 2016 financial year, we launched our first Saved $500,000 tax campaign. And in the lead up to 30 June 2016, we went about our ordinary tax planning service for our clients. But we added one thing. We tracked the amount of estimated tax savings they would have paid had they not used our tax planning service. And then we compared this to their estimated tax savings after they used our tax planning. This difference, or our tax saving number, we shared with each client and added it to our tax saving tally. We also tracked tax savings for potential clients where we reviewed their previous financial year's completed tax returns to check if their accountant had incorporated every legal tax strategy available to them. If there were strategies that the accountant missed, we calculated the difference in overpaid tax and discussed this with the potential client. We had done tax planning and the tax review service for the 3 financial years prior to this, and I had done this service at the firm I had previously worked with. However, I had never properly tracked the number of tax savings per client or calculated it to a firm level. The goal of the Save $500,000 tax campaign was to tally up our tax savings across the whole client base during our tax planning season. The season ran from early April to the 30th of June, and the results were astounding. The $500,000 goal we had set was massive, in my opinion, and it was a number that I thought would be extremely hard to hit. However, the number that we did hit, and after we had completed all our clients' tax planning as well as onboarded some new clients throughout that process, was a grand total of $1.26 million. At the time, this was an average of $18,000 in tax savings per client. Our average client paid us around $6,000 a year in accounting fees, which meant that the clients received approximately 3 times ROI on our accounting fees for the year. From that point onwards, we became known as a firm with the ability to make a measurable impact on our clients' lives, saving them an obscene amount of money. Fast forward to 2023, and this year we hit a running total of $25 million in tax savings across our client base since we started tracking in 2016. It's hard to comprehend the volume of this impact.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?